Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best PiggyVest investment option for passive income, and here's how it works. If you want to earn money while you sleep, PiggyVest has a few investment options that can help you build passive income even with small amounts. So one of them is PiggyVest Invest. So this is the core investment plan where your money get into vetted opportunity across different sectors like tech, agriculture, trade. Because it's diversified, you reduce risk while aiming for higher return than regular savings. As profit comes in, you can choose to reinvest or cash out, so let your earning keep working for you. Another one is Portfolio Plus. Think of this as a ready-made bundle of assets. So instead of picking individual investment deals, you invest in a mix of assets, choosing to balance growth and risk. So it's ideal if you want passive exposure without picking every investment yourself. Another one is Target Goal with investments out on. So this actually set a long-term goal and combine it with scheduled investment over time. Consistent contribution plus compounding returns help build a growing income stream. So this option work well if you're patient and keep adding regularly. So the more consistent you have, the more your passive income can grow. And that's it. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple money tips, and comment which PiggyVest plan you would like to use for passive income. And that's it.